recording this video to help you navigate around in the Canvas course platform for GEOS 120 so you can find where everything is. The first thing I'd like to point out, if you go to the January 11th introduction section, there is a link here, a how-to guide. For the YouTube video, you can watch this. This how-to guide was, I talked about this during the orientation session at the beginning of the class. If you ever get stuck, you can always go back and re-watch this how-to guide because it'll show you where everything is and how to access all of the course materials if you get lost or you get stuck. All of the Volcanoes materials is in the Part 2 Volcanoes module. The first thing I'd like to show you is the complete lecture notes for all of the Volcanoes lectures are here. If you click on this link, you will be taken to a PDF download where you can download this whole complete notes packet. So if I scroll through, you'll see there's lecture 1, there's lecture 2, there's lectures, all of the lectures are in here. So if you can use your e-reader with a PDF file, then you can download this complete notes packet, and it will give you all of the lecture notes for the whole course session. If we go back, I'll show you now where to find everything for the lectures. So the lectures are in here. They're in this Part 2 Volcanoes module in Canvas. Go to Lectures. We're going to use Lecture 1 as an example. If I click on this page, you'll have everything you need for Lecture 1, including this link up here, the lecture video link to YouTube. Click on the icon, and it'll bring you to the the lectures for the volcano section. Okay, if we go back to Canvas, we go back to the modules, the volcano modules. All of the lecture materials are in these individual lecture links, so you'll see when you hover your mouse over them, you can click on them. So each of these includes the YouTube lecture, full lecture on YouTube for each lecture. The lecture notes again are up here in this lecture notes packet that go along with each of these lectures. They also include lecture slides in PDF format. Same lecture slides as we use in the videos, as well as in PowerPoint format if you use PowerPoint. So all of this is available to you. You just need to go in the lectures pages in the Volcanoes section and you'll find all of this material there for you. So if we go back to the home menu, all of the labs are similarly arranged. So for Volcanoes Lab 2, click on this link in Canvas. It takes you to the Google Forms worksheet, and you can start working on your lab during your lab session through that link in Canvas. If we go back to Canvas, the labs also include a PDF version of the Google worksheet if you want to use it as a scratch sheet. Any of the lab materials are going to be included here in Canvas. The quizzes are also available through the quizzes link in the left sidebar. If you click on that, the available quiz links are here. So this is how you can access the quizzes, quiz 1, quiz 2, etc. Okay, so I encourage you to go back and watch this how-to guide video again. It'll show you and explain in detail about how to do everything. The syllabus also has all of the YouTube lecture links. It's linked in here as a Google Doc. So I hope this was helpful to you, and please let me know if you have any further questions.